kiss when we're in traffic, a million flavors of your chapstick, the way that you keep my heart captive. The Journey concert in AC, remember we sang faithfully. I still got that old hotel room key. This is the way I feel, 'cause I can't wait for you to be my wife, to live this life together. And I won't let you go. I need you to know that you are my heart forever, and on and on and on. The way you like to sing my songs, you always know when something's wrong. The way you say you miss me when I'm gone, the things you do to show you care. You're always down for truth or dare. Freeze this moment, let me stop and stare. Nothing before was real. This is the way I feel, and I can't wait for you to be my wife, to live this life together. And I won't let you go. I need you to know that you are my heart forever, and on and on and on. And we'll go on and on and on. And I can't wait for you to be my wife, to live this life together. And I won't let you go. I need you to know that you are my heart forever, and on and on and on. And we'll go on and on and on.
I love you, but it's not so easy to make you here with me. I wanna touch and hold you forever, but you're still in my dream. And I can't stand to wait till night is coming to my life. But I still have a time to break a silence.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Untuk yang pertama saya ingin mengucapkan terima kasih karena telah disambut dengan
Your love, don't ever
hadiah.
let it go, or you will lose your chance to make your dreams come true.
Apakah kamu bisa menerimanya?